Okay, let's just start then, students, with the next question. Okay, I don't know whether others will be joining or not. So I think we did the fifth question, right? If I'm like, I think we did the fifth question, if I'm not wrong.
Like, can you show the question?
Okay. The question was, for which of the following number find the smallest whole number? That we finished, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry? Yeah, that we finished. The third also we finished, and the other also we finished. Fourth also we finished. Fifth also we finished. We have to start with six today.
What was the fifth one? Can you repeat the number?
Wait a minute, I'll show you. And everybody kindly switch on the cameras. This was the fifth one. This. Everybody switch on the cameras. So this one, I guess, this we did completed, right? This was the fifth question, right? You have to find the square root like by multiplication. So it was like you will first find the prime factorization and whatever pair was missing, like that. Yes? We all finished this. So today we will be starting with the sixth question. So sixth question says, for each of the following number, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided. So same thing, but here you need to divide it. Clear? Okay. So quickly start doing this.
Sorry.
Good evening, Sindhus. No worries. We just started. So we have to do question number 6 now. Okay. Question number 6.
Is this same question like yesterday we did?
No. This is the question like we did last to last class. Like finding the pair, and whatever pair is missing, you will be dividing it. That one. Okay.
I didn't get one.
We already did this. Read the question. Read the question. Didn't get it?
What? I got it.
Okay. Anyone who didn't get it and want me to explain this? Should I do one question for you people?
For by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. So means the number which does not have a pair, you have to divide it with the...
Yes. So I'm just doing this first one for you people. Okay. And then rest of the part you will be doing. So 252. Okay. So 2, 1, 2 and 6. Then 2, 6, 3. Then 3, 2, 1. Then 3, 7 and 7, 1. Clear? Fine? Everybody?
Yes,
So now when we will find the prime factorization of this, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So 2 and 2 as a pair, 3 and 3 as a pair, but 7 doesn't have any pair. So what I will do, 252 divided by 7. So if I will divide it by 7, I'll got 36. 3 and 6. Right? I got 36. Okay? Clear? So if I got 36, what I will do? I will do prime factorization of 36. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2, 1, 8, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So what are the prime factorization of this? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So then 2 and So 6.
6.
Clear? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So find the square root of the number obtained. So the number obtained was 36 and the square root of this is 6. Clear? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can
So
you
now
do
you will. Sorry, Sindhush.
yeah, nothing on. I was just saying to up like, so that I could solve
Okay.
this.
So you people can quickly copy it down, and once you are done, then you will write it then. The square root of the number obtained is
Right?
6.
All questions, right?
Yeah, same like this only. First copy this one, then the rest part you will be doing. This is the first part.
Already done.
Done? Okay, let's just wait for others to write it down. Then I'll show you the other question. You people will do it.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone finished? Naisha finished? Gauri? Sindhus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, here you go. The second one, the third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one.
Ma'am, 13 can only be divided by itself, right?
Sorry, what?
Ma'am, the number 13 can only be
Yes.
divided by
Okay, anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Gauri, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I was checking your answer sheet,
Yeah.
the homework.
Yeah.
Whatever homework you are uploading, na Gauri, you are just like, for example, you did question number 1 and 2, but there are 4 questions. Then you are again uploading in the next assignment, right? Like
Yes.
one picture you are uploading, you are one picture uploading and then you upload it. Then again the same assignment you upload the second. Okay. So for example, whenever you have 2 or 3 pages for one assignment, make a PDF and then upload.
Okay,
Fine.
ma'am.
Right?
Okay.
Because what happens, I check the assignment, right? And over there are 4 questions and there are only 2 questions which you have attempted. So I just I just put the note that incomplete, all the questions are not attempted. But I don't
Okay,
know,
ma'am.
right? So just make up, in case you have 3 to 4 pages. In case 1, then fine. In case it is 2 or 3 pages, make a PDF and then do. Okay?
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Because this I think in the previous class also I did. So I just felt that you did it from your end, but still you got that note, right?
Yeah. Yes,
So for that.
ma'am.
Only Naisha's videos is on and Gauri and Sidhu's, kindly switch on the video.
Yeah. Ma'am, I just wanted to ask the thing. Ma'am, wait a
Mm-hmm.
second. Nothing. Never knew.
Yes,
Not,
Sidhu's.
nothing, ma'am. No,
Yeah, you can
no,
ask, no problem.
no, nothing. No, no.
Okay. You people have holidays, right? From 16 to, wait, I just got it.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have, No, you people might have got that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
Ma'am, for the second question, I by mistakenly multiplied it before, and then I realized it was divide.
This is the same mistake Gauri also did in assignment. The question says divide and she has multiplied in homework.
Ma'am, I didn't read the question properly.
Ah.
Which number can 5 to 9 be divided with?
Which, sorry?
Number can 5 to 9 be divided with?
592.
5 to 9.
529.
7.
Try it.
Okay.
5297?
Maybe, ma'am.
No.
Then
Maybe something with three's place. Like
23.
3.
23.
Okay.
Okay, everybody finished.
No, ma'am.
Done?
1 minute, I'm doing the last sum.
I am
Okay.
following about it.
Okay. Ronnie, why did you join so late?
I was sleeping.
Mm-mm-mm. Okay, now start doing this question.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Give the answers now. Ronnie, switch on the video.
I tell the answer.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So let's
Okay,
just discuss the answers first, Ronnie. Then you will start with the next question because you joined late. Okay. Hmm. Tell me the first one. Sindhu, Naisha, you tell me the first one.
5 as 13 is odd, we have to divide it with it. So we will get 2 to 5. And the
Hmm.
answer is 15.
Yes. Everybody got 15?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
got 15 also. I wasn't do it.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I also got 15.
You didn't got 15, Ronnie, or you got 15?
Ma'am, I got 15.
Okay, okay. Now this third one. Sindhu, you tell me the third one.
I got 6.
You got
6, ma'am.
6. Others?
Same, ma'am.
Got the
6?
same answer.
Yes. So the answer is 6. Okay. Now the next one, fourth one, Gauri.
Ma'am, for fourth one, I got 23.
Okay, everybody got 23?
Same answer.
Okay. Now for the fifth one, Chakrika. Chakrika is not here, no? Naisha.
And for the fifth one, the answer is 20.
Okay, everybody got 20?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the last one, Gauri, you tell me.
Ma'am, I got 18.
Okay, everybody got 18?
Ma'am.
Okay, so I think this one is very much clear to you people, right? You don't have any issues in these type of questions now, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now let's just start with some word problems. Let's see how you people do it. This one. The question is, can you see the question? The student of class 8th of school donated 401 in all. Okay. For Prime Minister National Relief Fund, each student donated as many rupees as the number of student in the class. Find the number of student in the class. These type of word problems are very, very important. Okay. So over here, what they are saying, you don't know how many numbers of students are there, right? Clear? So you don't know how many numbers of, so you will take number of students equals to X. Clear? Yes? Then each student donated equals to X rupees. Okay? These are the two things. Now total amount of contribution by all the students would be number of student multiplied by total contribution by
All the
all
students.
students would be X multiplied by X, which will be X square. Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, they gave you that they donated this. Okay? So that means X square equals to 2401. Okay? Then this X is 2401. What you have to find? You have to find the square root of 2401. Clear? Yes? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
You have to find the square root of 2401. Okay? So these type of questions are very important because they give you the word problem and you have to solve it. Okay? So the in this say they says the student of class 8 of a school donated 2401. So you know the total amount, but you don't know how many students are there and how many one each person donated. Okay? So each student donated as much rupees as the number of students. So why now the question is, ma'am, why you took X and X? Because here they says that each student, they donated as many rupees as the number of students. Whatever money they donated, that are the total number of students. So that's why number of student is also X and each student, whatever money they donated is also X. Okay. That's why X multiplied by X is X square. And this
Do you
is
need to
equals to,
just only write X? We can write any variable, right? It's
yeah, you
no
can write any
problem.
variable, Y, Z, M, N, O, P, whatever. Then X equals to this, then the square will go this side. So you have to find the square root of 2401. Okay, so you know the method. Ronnie, by which method you will find the square root of 2401?
Ma'am?
Hmm.
We find the square root by factorization.
Yes. So now you first will copy it down and then you will find the square root of this. Ronnie will tell me the answer of 2401 square root. First copy this in your notebook, everybody, and then Ronnie will tell me the answer for this square root.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am.
Finish, Ronnie? Ronnie, you said something?
Ma'am, I got the
Mhm.
answers.
Okay, wait. Everybody finished? Anyone who's still doing?
Finish, ma'am.
I didn't understand in which number you could divide 2401.
Okay. Where 2401? Naisha. 7.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Ronnie, you tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I got 49.
Yes. Everybody got 49. You will divide this 2401, the prime factorization, with 7. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
7. Then 343.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
With
again
7.
7.
Then
Yes.
we get
I will
49.
get 49.
Then 7.
Right?
Then we get 7 and 1.
Yes. Then 7. 7 and 7. 1. Okay. So 7 and 7. 49. Yes, everybody. Gauri Sindhus.
Yes, ma'am.
Naisha.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now let's just come to the next one. Hmm. Hmm. 2025 plants are replanted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as number of rows. Okay. Find the number of rows and the number of plant in each row. Very, very important question and very confusing. Okay. Anyone has any idea?
Ma'am, the same thing we have to do, right?
Yes, same thing. Okay. So what you will take, I'll just write few statements here and then it will be let the number of rows equals to x, clear, and let the number of plants,
Equals to X.
let the number of plants in each row equals to x. Fine. So total number of plants in the garden, total number of plants in garden would be x multiplied by x, which is x square. So it says x square is equals to 2025. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now do this. First write the statement and then start solving this.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's just wait for everyone. Gauri, Naisha,
Ma'am,
Sindhu,
I'm
Done, ma'am.
Naisha and Gauri. Okay, so
Done,
what is
ma'am.
the answer? Sindhu's.
45.
Okay, everybody got 45?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so X is 2025 and X is 45. Okay. Okay, now let's just come to the next one. Let's see how you people do it. Find the smallest. Okay. I'll just copy. Hmm. Hmm. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number 4, 9 and 10. So in this, you have to find the smallest number. So how would you find it? Smallest means LCM or HCF?
LCM.
LCM. Good. Okay. So if I ask you the highest number, then you will find HCF. If I ask you the smallest, then LCM. So you have to find LCM of 4, 9 and 10.
We find the LCM, what yet? I forgot, ma'am.
You have two methods. One, you can separately do 4, 9 and 10. Clear? And then you will take the common and like that. Okay, okay, then I'll do this one for everybody. And then the next one you people will do. Fine? So you have one method which you can do separately, but the easy method is taking it all together. So it's like this. 4, 9, 10. So 2, 2, 9 and 5. Then 2, 1, 9 and 5. Then 3, 3. Then 3. Then 5. 1, 1, 1. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes.
this is what? 2 and 2, 3 and 3, and then 5. Okay. So what you need to do? Over here, what you can see?
5 is the only number without
How
a pair.
okay?
Yes. So over here, or this 5 is not divisible, right? 5 doesn't have a pair. Clear? Okay. 5 doesn't have a pair. So what you are, first of all, you need to multiply it. Multiply them and tell me the answer, what you got.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I hope you people know this now. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Okay, so you will multiply all of them. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 and then 5. Okay, so here you got 180. Clear? Now this 5 doesn't have a pair. Okay, so you will multiply this with 5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once you multiply this with 5, you get 900. Okay, so this is the number, the smallest square number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Others got it?
Just 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
You got it or not? Tell me, then I'll give you 1 minute to note it down. But you got this or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
What about others? Ronnie?
Ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Sindhu's, Naisha, Gauri, everybody, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, quickly note it down. Then I'll give you one more question and you people will do it. I'll not tell you anything.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm back.
Everybody finished? Anyone who's still writing?
Ma'am,
Well,
I finished.
I just came back. I have to write.
Okay, and Sindhu's writing.
Ma'am, how did you get 180?
Sorry,
How did you get 180?
I multiplied them. Then this 180 was there. Then I multiply again with 5 because 5 doesn't have any pair.
Ma'am, 4 into 9 is equal to 36, right? Then
Huh?
how?
Then 36 into 5 is 180, no?
Then ma'am, why are you multiplying it to 5 again?
Because 5 doesn't have a pair. That's why.
Okay.
Okay.
Mom, done.
Okay, everybody finished? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we still have 1 minute. Let's see if you people can do this. Okay, let's see. Okay, sorry. Can you? Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number 8, 15 and 20. So over here you don't have to multiply. In the previous one it was right, but here the same. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Ma'am, for 8, 15 and 20, I got 3 numbers which don't have a pair.
Sorry?
8, 15 and 20, I got 3 numbers which don't have a pair.
Yeah, so you'll multiply with the 3 numbers only.
But isn't there only one number in the previous
No,
one?
that's not always the same scenario. Okay, so
Ma'am.
students, we don't have enough time right now, so we'll just continue with this in the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Good evening, Suleiman. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. Good evening, students. I hope I'm audible. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Lehman, I checked
Yes.
your answer sheet. I was not giving you marks, but then, like, I gave you marks due to some reasons, but I was not expecting this from you. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
If the question is dividing the question was dividing the fractions. Yes or no? The question was dividing the fraction. So why you are getting the answers in decimal? Tell me.
Sorry, ma'am, I could not hear you.
I'm saying that the question was in fractions, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
The question was like this: 12 divided by 3 upon 4, 14 divided by 5 upon 6, like this. This is a fraction or decimal?
Ma'am, my answers are in decimal.
Decimal. Why? When you add two fraction, the answer should be in fraction. Clear? So in
Yes.
case, for example, you got 27 by 2, you cannot further divide it. Get the answer in mixed fraction. Or leave it like this. Why you are getting the answers in decimal? Got it? When you
Yes.
multiply to decimal, then you have to give the answers in decimal, not here. Fine? I
Yes,
gave
ma'am.
you the marks this time, but I was not ready to give you marks because all the answers were in decimal. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hepzibah, I'm really impressed. Very good. You got 14.5 marks. Now I'll be like, ma'am, where I lost 1 marks, right? So here, 6 upon 9 it was, you didn't simplify it. 2 upon 3. So you lost half marks there. Okay. And rest, the presentation was also very nice. It was really good. So Suleiman, whenever you do answers, no matter whether it is, I would have given you marks, but still you have written the answers. I need the steps as well. Can you see the Hepzibah? Can you see Hepzibah paper?
Yes, ma'am.
She has done it like this. Why you were running?
Ma'am, can I share the steps paper differently?
See, whenever you are doing it like this, you have to write it like this. These are the steps. You can see Hepzibah's paper.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is compulsory. The calculation I don't need. Even if Hepzibah don't mention this, I'll never deduct the marks or never give extra mark. I need this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So let's just wait for 1 minute, student. Let's just wait if others are joining. And I was expecting full marks from you, Suleiman, and you disappointed me this time. Okay. So remember one thing, when fractions, the question is in fraction, the answer would be in fraction. The question would be in decimal, the answer would be in decimal. Clear? Got it? Suleiman, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so students, what we were doing in the previous class? Who will tell me what we were doing in the previous class?
We were doing data handling.